Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and staying at home. So, welcome to your computer class, and we are doing lesson 4, Windows operating system. And we have done this chapter earlier also, and we have studied what is Windows 7, how to start a window, and what are the components of Windows 7 screen. So moving further now, we will study starting and closing an application. Suppose you want to work on any application. You want to work on some application, like you want to type something. For that you have to use MS Word. So now I am going to tell you how to open and close an application. Now this is your window or screen, or you can say desktop screen, and these are all the icons which are present on the screen. Now suppose you want to write an essay and you want to work on application MS Word. For that, what will you do to open it? First you have to click on this start button, then this start menu will open. Then click on all programs and look for Microsoft Office. Here Microsoft Office is here. I will click on this and then I will click on Microsoft Word. Now it will open. As you can see, it's starting. It will take few seconds. Now it is open. Now you want to type something, you can type whatever you want to, A, B, C, D. Okay, whatever you want to. After that you have done your work, you have saved it. Now you want to close it. For closing the application, here you can see three things are here: minimize, maximize, and then this cross means close. You will click on a cross, then this dialog box will come. It will ask you whether you want to save it, you don't save, or you may cancel it. Okay, so at present I am just showing you how to close it. So I am not saving it, don't save, and then this will close. Okay. Now after doing the work on application, you have closed it. Now suppose you are doing some work on MS Paint, you are drawing something on MS Paint, and in between your computer stops, it's not working, so you want to restart it. Then what will you do? What are the process of restarting a computer? Let me show you. Suppose you are working on some application and there is some problem in the computer and you want to restart the computer. So again, click on the start menu. Here you can see shut down and there is one arrow. Now click on this arrow, or you just place your mouse pointer over here, then this box will open. Switch user, log off, lock, restart. Just click on this restart and your computer will switch off, your computer will shut down, and immediately on its own it will start. You don't have to start it, it will start on its own. It is restarting. It will shut down and then it will start on its own. Now after knowing how to restart, you have fixed the problem and you have done your work. Now you need to switch off your computer after working. After doing all your work, you should completely properly switch off your computer. So how to switch off or shut down your computer? Again, go on the start button, click, the start menu will appear, and here you can see shut down is written. You have to just click on this shut down. Okay, and your computer will turn off. And one very important thing, that you should always shut down the computer. You should not put the switch off of your computer, or you should not switch off the button. You should properly shut down the computer. So these are all the basic steps that you should know: how to start an application, how to restart, and how to shut down a computer. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.